Hi everyone, welcome to Student Tech Genius. In this video, we are going to see the CPU OS simulator use in the first come first serve scheduling algorithm. And this is the program we have, and these are the processes with the arrival time. And in the end, we need to answer these questions. So this is the CPU OS simulator we have. With the compiler button, we will open the program compiler. And with this load button, we will load our program. So this is the FCFS one, which is the program we have. After that, we will go to compile and we will click on this compile button. After that, the program will be compiled, and the next step is change the base address to anything like 200, 300, 500 something. After that, we need to click on this load in memory, or before that we can save this. So I will save it. After that, I will click on this load in memory. So the code is successfully loaded into memory. After that, I will click on this OS simulator button, and it will open the OS simulator for me. Now I need to create 4 processes. One is P1, P2, P3, P4 with arrival time of 0, 3, 1, 2. So I will create P1 with arrival time of 0. Arrival time 0 means there is no delay. So I will click create process P1 with no delay. After that, I need to create P2 with arrival delay of 3. So P2 with arrival delay of 3, I can choose seconds. After that, P3 with arrival delay of 1, P3 with arrival delay of 1, and P4 with arrival delay of 2. I have created P1, P2, P3, P4 with the delay of 0, 3, 1, 2. Okay. After that, I need to perform the first come first serve. So I will go to the scheduler part and I will choose the first come first serve. In the OS control, I will click on start. Now the process is complete and I can view the logs now. So in the logs, what I can see is scheduling scheme is first come first serve. After that, these are the states for P1. And after that, P3 is used. So these are the states for P3. After that, P2 is used. So these are the states for P2, and these are the states for P4. So what will be the order? P1, P3, P2, P4. P1, P3, P2, P4. After that, what is the waiting time for each process? So waiting time we can see here, average waiting time 0.05 second, 5.08 second, 12.14 second, and 18.35 seconds. Next question is, what is the burst period of each process? This is the burst period 167, 167, 167, and 167. After that, what is the average process time for 4 processes? We can calculate it by adding all these 4 waiting times and dividing by 4. Either you can see this also, average process waiting time, it would be 8.9 in the last line. Okay. So this is the first come first serve scheduling algorithm in CPU OS simulator. Thank you.